In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can sell your gift card for cryptocurrencies and even use this cryptocurrency to, buy and sell something or even swap it for your local currency. It's very much simple and easy. I'm going to show you guys how to do this using Noons. So Noons is a P2P platform that is popular online. I'm going to show you guys the tutorial involved in doing this. So Noons is available in a lot of countries, almost 185 different countries. Ghana, China, Vietnam, Nigeria, Philippines, and South Africa, and the rest, Kenya, and the rest. Let me show you guys how to do this. So if you've been using Paxful, I think this site is going to be very much simple and easy for you. But then if you are new to this, let me show you guys how to do this. So you hop on your account like this, create an account. I have a tutorial on that. So you just tap on the trade here, you move to P2P, that's peer-to-peer. And the platform is going to serve as an intermediary for you to, trade with that seller or buyer there. So here, you move to buy here, or if you want to sell, you tap on sell here. So I tap on buy here. So here I want to buy BTC, but then I'm going to pay with gift card. So here my mode of payment, I tap on that here to select a mode of payment here. So I already have Apple gift card selected. So on here, they accept over 110 gift cards here. So any gift card of your choice, if you have Amazon, if you have anything, you can select it here. So you can see I already have Apple selected here. This is Adidas. So let's say I have Adidas. I select Adidas like this, but then I don't want to use Adidas for the tutorial. I want to use Apple, which is the most popular. So I apply here and I'm going to get updated offers here. So now let me scroll down here. You can see these are all offers by people willing to buy Apple gift cards for money. So here they are saying the least they'll buy is 10 USD. So now let me choose this lucky guy. Good. So just like Paxful, that's how it goes. So let's say I want to buy $100. I want to, sell my $100 USD gift card, which is the Apple gift card. I'm going to get 66.53 equivalent BTC. So quick release and all that. You can, look at the terms of the seller, just like on Paxful. So here you just confirm and you buy, you send them a picture of your Apple gift card. They are going to release the BTC and you're going to get the BTC here in your account. After that, you can, sell the BTC to a local trader and then you get paid in your currency. If you're in South Africa, you get your rands. If you're in Nigeria, you get, I think, Naira also, or any country of your choice. You just select and then you get paid in your local currency. That's it on how you can sell your gift cards on Noons. Very much simple and easy. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. Peace.